Hey, what's up? Today, the frozenset built-in function in Python 3. So let's start with a look at the docs. So frozenset takes an iterable as its only argument, and that argument is optional. Frozenset is also one of two set types. There's just set and frozenset. And the difference between them is that the frozenset type is both immutable and hashable. Its contents can't be altered after it's created. That's what makes it immutable. And the fact that it's immutable makes it hashable. And since it's hashable, it can be used as an element in another set or as a dictionary key. So let's start with the basics. Frozenset's arguments are optional, so we can create it just like that, empty. Or if we do want to add arguments, we can do any iterable. So of course we could do a list, 1, 2, 3, or we could do a string, for example. And you'll see that the values have actually changed order. Frozenset is unordered. Again, frozenset is unordered. So let's get into immutability. With a normal set, you can do things like this. We can take a set, make it A, and we can add values to it. So we can add 5. Now we have 1, 2, 5. We could say remove 1. Now we have 2, 5. So with a normal set, we can add things and remove things. Well, what if B is a frozen set? And we'll kick it off with the same 2 values. So here we have a frozen set of 1 and 2. And if we want to add our 5, we're going to get an attribute error. Frozen set object has no attribute add. And same thing with remove. If we want to remove one of our values, we can't do that as well. We're going to get an attribute error. So that's what we mean when we say that a frozen set is immutable. We can't change the values inside a frozen set after it's been created. The next thing I want to show you guys is the hashability. So with a normal set, we can't have a set inside it. Let's say this value, and it'll say unhashable type set. But if our value inside here is a frozen set, we can create that just fine because frozen set is hashable. We can also put a frozen set inside a frozen set. So create it like that. And yeah, frozen set inside a frozen set.